Hello there, this is Anwar from TimelinesAI Support, and today I will be talking about the Workflow Builder. This is a feature that will allow you to create automation flows by integrating TimelinesAI to your CRMs, project management tools, any calendar apps that you may have, or any other apps in general that you may use in your company or in your business. In this case, the feature allows you to, first of all, select any of the pre-built templates that we have here within the solutions section, or you can also create your own automation flows from scratch by clicking on the automation section and then on the new automation button here. In this particular video, I will be creating an automation flow in which whenever I get a new contact created on my CRM, which in this case is Pipedrive, I will be able to send an automated message to my contact on WhatsApp. To get started, I will have to click on this Add Trigger button here. And then I'll proceed to select the app that I will be working with, in this case, Pipedrive. And then I'll proceed to select the event, which is new person or new contact. If you haven't done this already, the system will offer you the option to proceed with a connection to that particular app. If you have any questions about how to do that, you can always contact us via the chat support, which is right here. So we can provide you with more instructions in case you have any questions about it. But I will proceed with this pre-configured connection that I already have here. Then I will select the real-time data collection of the current period. This one will allow my system, in this case my automation flow, to always be on the lookout for new created contacts on the CRM. Now I will click on test. I want this test to fail because I would like to use the wait for webhook option. This one will give me some time here if I click on it, so I can go back to the CRM and create my test contact here. There we have it. We can go back and the system will retrieve that information from the CRM. As you can see, we got it right here. And I have received within the phone's, I would say, options, 3 variables. And I'm looking for this particular option here. So I need to isolate this option from the rest so I can actually use it to send a message to this contact. So I will click on continue with the selected data. And now I'll have to use a tool so I can actually separate or refine that particular, I would say, variable. We click here on this plus button and we will select the tool option here. Now I'll have to scroll down a little bit further to get the get an element of a row section option. I will select it. And here I'll be able to select the new person phones, which is the one that I would like to work with. I will click on save. And now the system will allow me to test out this specific tool. I can click on test. And the system will provide me with the 3 specific options that I got from the trigger. I will click on continue with the select data that I have here. And lastly, I will end this process by clicking on an action. I will then select TimelinesAI to send that particular message. And the action here will be send message to phone number. For TimelinesAI specifically, you don't have to configure the connection. It's already pre-configured within the same feature, so you don't have to do that like at all. So it can be more convenient for you, basically. But we're going to click on continue here. And the system will now present me with the following fields. So within the phone number, I'm going to insert the contact's phone number that I got from the refined tool here, which is this one. Now, the WhatsApp account section is meant for the WhatsApp account phone number that will be used to send the message. Remember, you must have that WhatsApp account connected to Timeline so you can actually send the message. And I have to type that WhatsApp account in full international format here. As you can see here, I have the same WhatsApp account connected right here. And now the text message, I can send something like this. And I can also insert the variables that belong to the contact which are retrieved from the CRM. I will use this one here. All right. So this specific text message field will allow you to insert several variables that you get from your CRM or any other app, which will allow you to send a more, I would say, personalized message to your contacts. You can include a lot of details here that will vary depending on the contact that you work with. You can also include attachments that you uploaded timelines. We will provide you with a UID that you can actually insert here. And if you want, you can insert some labels that you can use on timelines. This is completely optional, as you can see here. So I will click on Save, and now I'll proceed to run a quick test for that last action here. I can see it was successfully sent, and I got the phone number from the contact, my phone number used as a sender, the message that I wanted to send to the contact here, and the ID of that particular message. I can click on Continue with the selected data. And in this case, I can click on Start, so I can save this particular automation flow that I just created. I can now close this window here. I can go to Automations, and I can see that it's now enabled and working to basically send messages to new contacts that I get on my CRM. As you can see here, this is the chat that I have with that contact that I just used. I can just refresh this particular window or tab, and we will see that the message was sent from the workflow builder. And this is the message that I just wanted to send to the contact, which was successfully delivered to the contact in question. So that's basically it when it comes to the workflow builder. Keep in mind that you can select several other options. You can create a lot of automation flows. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to us via the chat support right here. We'll be able to provide you with all the support that you may need so you can actually create your workflow, I would say automations, and you can basically start automating today. Thank you very much for your time and have a good day.